Now let us do another puzzle on this. The puzzle is saying again to ask or to find out the value of A and B in the whatever question has been given. There will be the question for addition, right? For that we have to find the value of A and B. Now see, A plus A plus A is giving us B plus A. Now you have to find out what should be the value of A and what should be the value of B, such that when you add them all, right, when you add the values of A, you must get BA. That means whatever is the value of A must be coming here also, and there should be a separate value for B. So if you take A equal to 1, for example, it will give you 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, which is not coming in 2 digits, not possible. A cannot be 1. If you take A to be 2, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will add up to 6. Again, this is not satisfying the BA sum. You take A to be 3, you would get 9 as the sum, which is again not satisfying the equation. The next one is A is equal to 4, adding it up you get 12. You are getting 2 digits over here, but over here in the question you must get a digit. The ones digit should be same as all the above digits. So here you are getting 4, but here you are having only 2. That means even this is not the case possible. Let us continue with taking A to be 5. This assumption is going to fetch us the result 15. 5 plus 5 plus 5 gives you 15. That means all the A's added together will give you a BA. Here also your A is coming equal to 5 and B is other value. B is a value which is other than A. That means this condition is going to satisfy my question, the given equation. So we can write that A is the value 5 and B is going to have the value 1 for this question to be solved.